It's no question that this has been a very warm start to October compared to normal. When we look at how this stacks up with the data, the best data we have comes from Pandora, Ohio from 1949 to now. When we look at the first 10 days of October since then, so far we're at the third warmest for the October 1st through 10th period with an average temperature of 68 degrees. And that is the averaging the high and the low for each day for the first 10 days of the month. So third warmest October so far. So again, impressive warm weather that continues to be with us here. Temperatures this morning, again, mid-60s. Keep in mind a normal low is about 45 degrees this time of year. And in fact, the first frost typically happens on October 9th. So we're already past the first typical date to see frost here. So we're going to see likely a pretty late frost this year as no frost is in that forecast just yet. You notice the clouds, they are starting to increase here. We have a system to our west that is bringing, of course, some showers. We had some really rough weather overnight with several tornadoes over parts of Oklahoma, and that system bringing some showers of parts of Missouri. This is going to slowly work east today, and that cold front that you see is going to move our way. It does bring changes to the forecast tomorrow. So today's the warmest day of the week. This cold front is going to be the first of two that are going to move through this week. This first one is just a little tease. We warm back up, but there is another system way off here across the west coast, and that's going to bring us even bigger changes by the weekend. So today, we are expecting dry weather throughout the day. Now tonight, with that cold front, we could see a few showers, but the severe threat has been completely removed for our area, as it just doesn't look like we'll have enough instability to see any storms around. But to the west, notice that severe risk here across parts of western Indiana through Illinois, but again, that should stay west of us. So we were initially thinking we could get a few severe storms the way it looked over the weekend, but the data has really backed off on that thinking. So good news, we don't expect any severe weather concerns with that front. As we go throughout the day today, we'll see a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And as we head into this evening, by the time we get to about 10 o'clock, we could see a couple isolated showers, but still mostly dry at that time. You notice as we go through the night, not much happening here. This system is just falling apart for us. So we could see a few sprinkles, a few showers, but I don't think everybody will get rain. I think some spots will stay dry. Tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy. Could see a few sprinkles before lunchtime tomorrow. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies and definitely cooler for today tomorrow. You can see temperatures today warming up back into the 80s, but as we head into today tomorrow, we are trending much cooler with highs in the lower 70s. But like I said, it's just a tease of what's to come. We can see that cool weather across the west where we're expecting snow. First snow of the season across the Rockies tomorrow, and that cooler weather will start to get here eventually, getting towards the weekend. You can see we get a break in the weather as we go into midweek, looking fairly quiet. Our next chance of rain will come towards Thursday. There will be that next system, and this is a system that is going to bring us a bigger change in the weather heading towards the weekend. You notice that in your 7-day forecast. Temperature 76 on Wednesday, 80 Thursday, so we try to warm back up, but 73 on Friday. It looks like our next best chance of rain will be Friday night, early Saturday. But look at the weekend. This is sweater weather here. Highs in the lower 60s on Saturday, and we'll see highs in the 60s Sunday and Monday, and lows down to the lower 40s by next Monday morning.